Welcome to Absolute ERP. In this video, we will see how to create estimation, and we will look at how backend parameters affect it. First, you will go to Sales module. In Sales module, you will see the Estimation tab. For creating new estimation, go to New Estimation option. From here, you can create new estimation for your customer. First, if you have multiple locations, select it. Estimation date, automatically generated. After, select the name of your customer, whom you are creating this estimation. This drop-down is coming on the basis of my master creation of my parties in backend. I have defined, I will show you in coming part. If you want to add new customer at that time of estimation creation, you simply type add and create your new customer by filling necessary details according to you. Billing address and shipping address has been appearing. You can also change both from here. Click add new address. Mention your new address details and save it. You can also see currencies conversion rate. And if you want to change the rate, you can also update it from here. Estimation number, automatically generated according to your suffix and prefix defined in backend. Expire date of this estimation has been generated automatically. You can also change according to you. You can also map particular salesperson who is creating this estimation. You can add new salesperson by add option. Mention name and email ID, then save it. Thereafter, mention categories and your particular item, which you will give the estimate to your customer. As you see, multiple items is appearing. These all I have defined in the master creation of my items and finished goods in backend. From here, you can add new items also. By filling all these details, you can add your new items. Once you select the item, description is appearing. You can edit it. You able to see multiple supplier prices against of this particular item. Put the quantity of item. After your defined MRP of this item is coming. Here, software automatically showing you the availability of this item in your inventory. Even you see the previous rate and their invoice to get you recall what previous rates you allocated against of this particular item to this customer. There is your tax value if you select tax exempt, so your tax will be write off from here. If you want to mention any other charges, you can put on this tab. Basically, you able to create multiple additional tabs according to your requirement from backend. In this single estimation, you are able to add n number of items by clicking add another line option. Select your another items, and your items has been added to your estimation. Your all amounts has been calculated and showing you here in total. From this option, you can attach your files, and a document management has been done from the system for your departments. Meanwhile, mention your terms and conditions with notes. These is editable option. If you want to preset from the backend setting, you simply do it. There is your customer email ID. Once you select it and save this estimation, automatically a PDF of this estimation has been shooted to your customer email ID with the defined attachments. Your created estimation has been reflected on main page with unique number. Now, let's move to the backend setting part to see what things will get impact over the estimation creation. Click on Setting tab. This is backend page of our system. All the settings of particular modules has been created from here. First, we will take you where we have preset all the parties and customers. Your all created parties or customers list is appearing. These all names will get reflected in front end. As we saw previously, At that time of estimation creation, let's show you one party that we already created. There, I have defined all the necessary details of this party. As it is appearing, I have predefined all the data of this particular customer. I have mentioned particular currency against this customer. In Next tab, I have defined the addresses of this customer. From here, you can set credit limit of your customer. There is some other tabs that you can use to fill all the details of your customer's personal detail, like email ID, phone number, etc. Custom fields, you can define, mention the bank details of your customer, mention remarks, or you can set particular prices against of your items for this customer. In Setup Currencies, I have mentioned all the currencies, or you can create new currencies by New Currency tab. Once you create these currencies, thereafter, in party creation, you able to set it against of your parties and customers. Thereafter, it will appear, as we saw, in estimation creation time, currencies conversion rate. Through Accounts tab, you able to set your estimation number, suffix, and prefix. In Manage, prefix and number, you define specific series of your estimation number. Put the specific number in this tab and save it. After, your defined series will be appearing at that time of new estimation creation. Now, we shown you on what basis your items dropdown was coming in estimation creation page. Basically, in production, backend settings, I have defined finished good and raw materials master creation. There, I have preset the specific item master creation with price. Finally, let's see your created estimation. By given filter above, you can classify your specific estimation. After, click on estimation number. This is our default estimation template. You can change the fields and logos from backend templates parts. You can change according to your company needs. Simply click Edit option and change the necessary fields and logos accordingly. Once you created the estimation and it appears there is something need to change in it. In that case, you simply click Edit and change the things in estimation. You able to download this estimation into PDF by one click through this tab. By these tab, you simply take a print or print this estimation on letterhead. If you want to attach any additional file, you can add by clicking on this tab. From here, you have an option to convert this estimation into quotation. By one click, all the things has been fetched automatically. You simply save it, and your quotation has been created. Simultaneously, your converted quotation get a separate track in Quotation tab that we will cover in our coming videos. Next, More tab. From this option, you able to delete this estimation. This is WhatsApp option. By this tab, you simply share this estimation to your customer. From here, you can see who created this estimation, at which date and time. Today, we have learned the way to create new estimation. Similar hand, we covered the backend parts as well. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, please see our other videos.